everybody, Jim Seibels here. I'd like to recommend Pomona AirGuns. Being an avid airgun shooter and hunter, I've been to quite a few different places, and the guys at Pomona AirGuns, Steve, the owner especially, is really knowledgeable, and he's a really good guy. He knows a lot about airguns, what to recommend for scopes, mounts, pellets, what airgun would be right for you. And I love this place. I mean, this guy is he's fantastic. So if you're in Oak Hills, which I know it says Pomona AirGuns, but they're located at Oak Hills, right over here. It says Pomona AirGuns in Oak Hills. You're going to have to call them for the address because it's kind of off the beaten path, but it's well worth going over there and seeing Steve, and the deals are fantastic, and the service is even better. So if you get time, go up to Oak Hills, give him a call, and check out what he's got up there. He's got some really good stuff, lots of pellets, accessories, and like I said, he knows what he's doing. So give him a call.